Hi guys, good day. Magandang adlaw. Dito tayo ngayon sa greenhouse checking our hydroponic plants. And this is our 31 days after sowing na lettuce. I think this is Batavia. 31 days after sowing, since this is direct planting or direct sowing, hindi tayo nag-transplant. Direct na siya sa ating setup. Using Kratky setup, Kratky hydroponic setup. Medyo mababa na yung water level, but okay lang. Think dadagdagan natin yan if kailangan. This is for demonstration purposes only, and the materials and the seed is from my colleagues kasi may natanggap siyang prize or premium sa raffle, and pinagamit niya sa akin kasi nalaman niya nag-hydroponics ako dati. Kaya eto na, medyo maganda tong pang display kasi for demonstration. May mga seedlings din tayo dito, mga pechay, yun, mga flowers also. And punta naman tayo dito sa ating NFT setup. This is our NFT setup or mini setup. The materials used are scraps from the MRF. This is used for us for planting flowers or flower pots, flower trays, and they were broken. Medyo nabasag yung iba and itatapon na sana, kaya I converted this to NFT hydroponic setup using net pots and itong polycarbonate board as the lid. Ito, and NFT pots, 2 inches na NFT pots, and using coco peat. Actually, it's a mixture of coco peat, peat moss, and sand or sand, fine sand. Dito yung pump. This is where the pump is located. Here, just a DIY setup to save the materials from being thrown away. And we also have our nutrient solutions here, the NPK plus ME, calcium nitrate, and magnesium sulfate. Here, taran. Only one valve here to control the flow of the pump. For this setup, sa setup na to, approximately yung height niya from here sa outlet ng water source natin to the ground is about 1.2 meters, and ang ginamit kong pump is 14 watts na submersible pump. Nandito siya, yun, 14 watts na submersible pump, and yung height, pumping height niya, yung maximum pumping height niya or yung kaya niyang pagdala ng tubig na height or tangkad is 1.5 meters yung capacity, and this is only 1.25 from the ground, so pasok na pasok siya, and medyo malakas pa nga, kaya I put some valve here to control the water flow para hindi siya masyadong malakas. Ganito yung setup niya. Papasok yung tubig dito, lalabas sa kabila, and then dadaloy papunta sa kabilang dulo, lalabas ulit siya dito, papasok sa kabila, and the process goes on until babalik sa reservoir dito, babalik sa reservoir, and then ipapump ulit pabalik dito. And yun lang guys, uwi muna tayo. See you sa next video. Bye bye.